Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can crop any image in Windows 11. So guys, it's very simple. You don't need to install any extension or anything. So by default a snipping tool is already installed in your Windows 11. You can use that as well. So I will show you how you can use it to crop any image. So first of all, you just have to click on start, then open the snipping tool by typing it. You can see that snipping tool is right over there. Just tap on that. Then you have to click on these three dot option, then click on open file. Then you have to open that file which you want to crop. For example, in my case that's image. So then I will click on crop, and from here I can crop that image according to my size. So just to show you that so that's how you can crop it, and then click on done, then click on save. It will ask the location where you want to save that image. For example, I want to save that with the name of JSYD and then save it. So guys, that's it. That's how you can crop a image in Windows 11. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.